Welcome to Indonesia, a land of striking contrasts and unparalleled diversity. As the world's largest archipelago, Indonesia is a sprawling tapestry of over 17,000 islands, nestled between the Indian and Pacific Oceans. This unique positioning not only makes it a crucial maritime corridor, but also a vibrant melting pot of. Our journey begins with the breathtaking geography of this Southeast Asian gem. From the towering volcanic peaks that pierce the sky to the dense rainforests teeming with life, Indonesia's landscapes are as varied as they are stunning. The coastal areas offer serene beaches and bustling ports. With a population exceeding 270 million, Indonesia stands as the fourth most populous country globally. This demographic richness is mirrored in its cultural tapestry, woven with threads of countless ethnic groups and languages. The heart of this cultural mosaic beats strongest in its vibrant cities. Indonesia is home to the largest Muslim-majority population in the world, yet it embraces a rich diversity of beliefs and practices. The official language, Indonesian, serves as a unifying thread, connecting people across its vast expanse. Politically, Indonesia is a republic with a presidential system, exercising significant influence in Southeast Asian politics. As an emerging economic powerhouse, it plays a vital role in regional and global markets. The country's governance is structured into 38 provinces, each with its own local government, ensuring that the needs of its diverse populace are met. Special regions like Aceh and Yogyakarta enjoy. Indonesia's natural wealth extends beneath the waves, with marine biodiversity that is the envy of the world. Its rainforests are among the most biologically diverse ecosystems on the planet, harboring countless species found nowhere else on Earth. In essence, Indonesia is a nation of extraordinary diversity, both geographically and culturally. It is a pivotal player on the Southeast Asian stage, offering a compelling blend of tradition and progress, unity and diversity. As we conclude our exploration, let us celebrate Indonesia for its complexity, its beauty, and its indispensable role in the global community.